Come along as I make some rose cupcakes. To begin, I pipe a cone-shaped mound in the center of a flower nail using the round opening of a plastic coupler. I'll be making a lot, so I have a couple nails lined up here. Then I attach tip number 104 to the coupler and secure it with a ring. Grab one of the nails and start to pipe small petals around that little mound. Keep going around and continue to pipe additional layers of petals that work its way out. Try to angle the tip outward as you pipe the last few layers to give the rose a bloomed appearance. Now grab a pair of flower lifter scissors and slide the flower off the nail. Gently place it on a cake board for later. Let's pipe another one. Again, build layers of petals around the mound until you reach the desired size for your rose. The more layers you have, the larger the flower will be. Take a look at it from the top, and once the shape is nice and round, you're good to go. I place all my pipe flowers on a grease-proof cake board and set it aside until I'm ready to arrange them. Let's decorate the cupcakes now. I'm using a large French open star tip to create this beautifully textured buttercream. I first pipe a ring around the edge of each cupcake. I try to end the ring in a swift motion so that the buttercream swirls finish off in a fine point. Then I pipe a small dollop of buttercream in the center of each cupcake so that the roses don't sink in. Now I grab those roses I piped earlier and place them right in the center of each cupcake. Those flower lifter scissors really come in handy when moving these around. The colors and textures in these cupcakes work so beautifully together. It's simple yet elegant and romantic. Alright, now for the finishing touch, leaves. Using tip 352, pipe a few leaves on each cupcake to accent the roses. Shaking your wrist while piping them will give them finely textured lines. There you have a set of beautiful buttercream rose cupcakes.